How to manage your pdfFiller address book. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe to stay tuned. First, under the address book tab, you can click the Add New button to add a new contact. Or you can import contacts from your Gmail, Hotmail, or Outlook. When you click Add Contact, you can add the name, email, and phone number of your new contact. When finished, just click the Add button. If you work with PDF documents on a regular basis, click the link in the description and try pdfFiller for a period of 30 days absolutely for free. Use pdfFiller to modify your document's content, type or erase text, highlight important information, black out sensitive data, add sticky notes, images, and so on. In addition to editing PDFs online, you can print out a completed document or save it to your device as a PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or JPEG file. Send it via email, fax, SMS, or USPS. Post your document online, share it via direct link, or send your PDF for signature to one or several recipients. Hurry up to get your free 30-day trial that you can cancel anytime with no obligations. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments section if you have any questions.